Kubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Nongpoh near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi minwan ra mangi hakerdog ying jongpi.
Ke Deputy Commissioner jong ke Ribhoi District ke Kong Rosetta Kurbah hak pratrik ubna jeleu aracara arpuwei kala pelipat ba ya ke COVID-19 Transport Service Nongpoh kum shibenta ban yarap kerpang na kabenta kito kibreu kibala syakta haka jingpang klam COVID-19 kenang ban yo penpo yaki syaki jaka ajing sumar lani ban le test kat kum gi kendon balabu deka sorkar. Kani ke COVID-19 Transport Service kadai kabala lam khmat deka State Consultative Committee on COVID-19 yang kabala thung deka sorkar jela bat kani ke snat traikam kan sedang ru ban traikam shuana sor Nongpoh nagabentaban ay kajing syakri ya kito kibapang COVID-19 nagabentaban lejbo ne lejshaw ya kinongpang knang bakinyo ya kajing sumar kabakham kloy syaki jaka ajing sumar balabu daga tanat kakoit kakya hagani gasngi labo shua hado santli ki kali sumo kiban sedang ya kajing syakri hakathan Nongpoh bad hakiwei kishnong kibahab hapo ka Ribhoi District. Haga jingpele ye kini ke COVID-19 Transport Service laidon langru udkhot jong ke State Consultative Committee unaba bhatacharji nang tadi chairman jong ke Nongpoh Town Committee uba CB's aim u engineer jong ke District Urban Department uba S Langste bat kuntobru ye ki nongyalam jong ke Nongpoh Area Maxi Cab Owners and Drivers Association.
Lengba kinongyalam kijing hapo ke state kabalab tha lengba kinongyalam jong ke state nadu chief minister bat minister baro alor jong ke consultative committee on COVID-19 kabalay don lang ro naba charji bedi we na ki member bat tuju ro ikong arem Kurbah ibade EDC bapet bapet district kecil rekat lang ki riu rangba kibadon ke jingkit klik na kabataban syakri na kabanta kibaduk kibasuk kibashamlanat kibala banyo ya kajingpang la sha chisi to ayangi kajingkot jikya mangila shisha ban syakri ya kan jingku ai ba kan kajingmu jong town committee bat association jong ka maksika kan long ke bajok man pen pauro akmat kibatlot man pen pauro akmat ibumtip bakin tip lembaga negasi mengidon kemen simpan syakri paket penba ya kita kibadon kami ke syakri itu namar kita belai try kan rat to the hangi kinjer itu juga bangila sisa pendap ini jadi itu ayangi iwai baro ibadon lang hagani ko por bangini yo kemet tepat besar lain bangi la sisa bania le persai ini kunyang jingpang ban penrung ro kejumut perkat tinggi breu bangi don kam ya kadawai ni don kam gi ada bangin iman ya sebab tei ban syakri para breu ban syakri yang ai begini ki baro kin long hakamon ke bokoi ki jumu bangila sisa bani alti kan baro pan ketang jisu amin
bakin wan sakmat bakin lek pe haki bagi jaga belakang baik nomor kamnum dan makasih pihak pilih bah dikin lek bakin long on the spot registration kan ni arab ya baro ni kwa ya kenangan appeal yang sisi ni kena samla ndai kena samla girang ba kumju ba khamtam kena samla ong piman ko ba kilang ka lawai ka jongi ladang idan ka lawai ka batalot ka lawai ka badan kan lawan ka jing pang hamet kan jayu ya dari ka jongi semua bahas nak sama in lek sakmat dan sim ya da vaksin jongi nang ba kamet ka patu kan long ka ba sat baklan bat bakan kan dan lupa kita antibody samet jongi banyak fight back lan banyak pun ni kata virus habakawan tak ini mah ikan ni ketika jing kepat kedengar ya borok kinang senang hari district bangi long sisa kibre borok ni ong ni long kita aspirational district ni terang ban long ki bajok ni terang ban wan gajing sang ke district ni tingi dan kam sisa ya kata gajing ya telang gajang ki di hakan ni gasni ke besotana sukmen ba kata ka humanity na gajing snow beriau jangi gajing snow para beriau gajing ni kala tik kan gasni ini training bat ba dagan ni ka simple like jengi kan ni santli di semua dengan gasni kan long gajing arab ya hungry boy ka jangi mo nama taban ferry dan ban transport ye ki bapang covid ni pan ya gajing ya training jang baro ki nong song hari boy district banyak training ni job ya kan ni tang dah kajing telang jangki bat bang idan kam hi ya borok ban ya dan lang hagan ne ka hakaju ka jingmut jing berkat kaju jing sngotho ma ka bang kwa ban ong khado kalong ba kumba pi hi ki state kal awan ka we te nga kwa ban address hang ya shim ya kan kan di ada perlu dia ni so bahag itu bela substance mentioning kinwan syakmat ban shim ya ka vaccination jangki ha PSC CC sub center mar namar ba kumba pi hi menta hang ni hari dua jung ni ru ni dan supply ki cases ki bala mati nongsan sang ni bat boro kita ki baklam yo ka vaccine tis ngob ha ba pin ya one kloi ka ha kan halor jong kata ka banikong ka di bam klam ai vaccine ka ba ar pede ka long ba kim le sha hospital mar kataru khan riungot na ki baklat ki kita ki baklam le siapa hospital kloi marsen bayang kli marsen le no ti kilakin ban sir da pisong be hayang da pim le siap ban wat jingara dan kerja ayu kalau ba ketua la di badan snebong la di badan ngila priang sapriang ka tu jing pang hayang ru tikan ni kalau la dang ni it hi ki yang kasam ni kon ti la jong ni hap ya fikir hi simet tang kita ki bahayang hi ko man ha kan ni ru kidan ki ba sutu bahaya kan ni ki pentip yang ni bahak kata yang ki long kum ta ngoban pha ye kini ki rapid testing team jung tikila lek itu nilalam dan ki belum positif tu kita ki AKS ngau bah ban wan syakmat sya benda ka testing kamde ka basnil kamde ka ba ka banja ka AKA lan ne pimde ban tiang benda testing ru namar bangi syam ru sakata ka wei ba it hadian bela yok positif mano hayang kita ki belong high risk ru ki pet sendong kim tre ban net testing kanir kalong ke AKA ka ba ni jenjar ba ban tre kam so ngob hai corporate nang bangila ban long district ka basai ka district ka ba in light no nang ni nam jepang la ka dap ni tre langan ong PC syang in la ban job ikan ni ka knyang jepang
all those sumo drivers and owners, I think, madam, we need to declare them as also COVID warriors, because what they will do is equivalent to the frontline workers which we have. This scheme, madam, as we had discussed with you, I am really grateful to you and the town committee for coming forward. This is the second district. Why we thought of this idea, you'll remember in the month of May, when the COVID cases was very much at its peak, there was acute shortage of ambulance, and we had unfortunately so many casualties and death because patients could not reach the hospitals in time, and which is very, very unfortunate, particularly for our state. When we give so much value to our life, if because of transport and not reaching the hospital, so we thought of this idea that why not, because government also, every time we cannot depend on government. Madam knows very well, 24/7 she is working with her staff, her frontline workers, but government also has limitations. So we from the public also, I think this is very trying times when all of us need to come out and help our brothers and sisters in this time of crisis. I think this is the time when our humanity should come forward. So with this we thought that why not we try with these local taxis in Shillong. They were also waiting and there was no livelihood for them. So we got a lot of response, but simultaneously ma'am and Basiem, Baranold and all of you, now we have 5. I have done a survey, I have seen that equal or not, if not more patients non-COVID, they are also unable to go to the hospital. Number 1, scared. Number 2, lack of transport, because all ambulances, like dialysis cases, there are many where people are unable to reach, and those deaths are not being registered like we do for COVID. So I think COVID gets the priority. I would request CM and Renault, with increase in the number of vehicles, we can have at least 2 vehicles dedicated for non-COVID patients. from the villages. I think that will be a big help, and I request our brothers from the association that you should see that minimum charges, particularly to the BPL families.
Plan dongi kani pangimut katum ke kran baik bat I baba kalong ba na kaliang jongi ba nin sakri ban pensuk ya kalai kawan jong kibe kendu jinge subu kiba yo positif ya ki kwa ban shift sapok corona sentar tengi hapan lekit lekba ban penpo yaki nang taruh ngi ngimdei ban yon ya kador ngimdei ban sim ya kador henrei ngi hap ban pek katkum ka jingbet jingbiang katkum ka jingla jongki lada kimla ro ngim ban se ban yarap lada haka kano coba syak ka khyak ton ko baban ki bat kamdei tang hangne hapo Nongpoh area henrei watcha du tharkma rangi la don ke ni kran bang hap hi ban kumpoi lada kidon kam kidon ibentak ing saduk sam dan sakit hayum dan stay serker bat sa kini Nongpoh Imam Merjan te mentang idang penbek tang kini kistan peli bat sekri lada ni kidang don kam ngimban se ban penmi syu ki kali napo ka association jengi nomor hapo ka sen jengi kidon bun ki kali mentangi hapo wat hapo DC office kidon hi question jengi hapo police department kidon hi te ni gidei katkum ke bang tmu ban sekri ke ba te menta ni hapi ban sekri ban persuk ya kalai kawan wat hakapang ke stom wat hakayap ke imo ngimen se ban kidon ba kata kadai ka plan bak ni la baik